Unplugging for peace, embracing a digital detox. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very relevant and increasingly popular phrase in the English language. Unplug for a while. This phrase is not just about language, but also about a lifestyle choice in our digital world. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily life. The term, unplug, originally refers to literally removing the plug of an electrical device from its power source. However, in our context, it takes on a metaphorical meaning. Unplug for a while means to temporarily disconnect from digital devices and social media. It's like taking a short break from the constant connectivity provided by our phones, computers, and other devices. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with digital information, unplugging becomes crucial for our mental health. It helps in reducing stress, improving focus, and enhancing interpersonal relationships. Taking a digital detox can refresh your mind and give you a new perspective on life, away from the screen. You can use this phrase in various contexts. For example, I'm feeling overwhelmed. I need to unplug for a while and get some rest. Let's unplug for a while during our vacation and enjoy nature. It's a versatile phrase that can be adapted to many situations where taking a break from digital life is beneficial. 1. Set specific times when you won't use digital devices. 2. Engage in activities that don't involve screens, like reading a book or going for a walk. 3. Inform your friends and family that you're taking a digital break, so they don't worry about your online absence. Remember, the goal is to find balance in your digital life. Unplug for a while is more than a phrase. It's a reminder to take care of our mental well-being in this digital age. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your life. Remember, it's okay to take a step back from the digital world and enjoy the world around us. Stay healthy and happy unplugging.